Sanibonani bafethu ku-YouTube. Ngize nenye update la, ngifuna nje sike sikhulume ngomama uZandile Gumede. Umama uZandile Gumede uqeda kufakwa kwi-MK as i-deputy convener. So uconvener umuntu ocishe ethi makafane ne-secretary, but umsebenzi wakhe uhlukile ngokuthi yena u-organizer kakhulu ama-branches, uyawa-preparisha ukuthi uma kufike indaba zokuvota kube right nje yonke into. But angifuna ukufocusa kakhulu lapho. Into engifuna sike sifocuse kuyo ukuthi nje sibalancise i-argument between ukubuka ubuhle eza nabo ku-MK nobubi eza nabo ku-MK, then siphume ne-solution ukuthi thina sicabanga ukuthi kwenzakalani. But before lapho ngifuna nje ukupha nje i-background kancane ngomama uZandile Gumede. Uzokhumbula ukuthi from 2016 wa-electwa as i-mayor yaseThekwini, then up to 2019. And la period yakhe ke uma sifunda ama-report siyezwa ukuthi kuthiwa there was too much corruption eThekwini. There was cases mismanagement of imali zingaphathwa ngendlela e-right, or imali ebekelwe imali ethile but isetshenziswe imali endaweni ethile, kwakhona i-corruption yamathenda, yonke lento le. And now before azojoyina nje MK party ube umuntu okade seshintshe nenkolo yakhe wahamba wayokhonza kwaShembe. So the last time I checked bese member yakwaShembe, and uzokhumbula ukuthi uShembe une numbers eziningi kakhulu. Abantu bakwaShembe baningi kakhulu, especially KZN, ngabantu abazenzile, abantu abangathanda ukushintsha izinto, umuntu ayibambele lento ayibambele yona. In English singathi nje ba conservative kakhulu. So ukujoyina kwakhe uShembe, that means nakwaShembe uzoza ne-numbers ezinhle kabi, because bakhona abantu abazomthanda kwaShembe, bakhona abantu abazofila ukuthi bamfollowishe. So and what we know is that kulonyaka una 57, une-experience from a parliament lase KZN legislature. And so if isibheka nje reasons, mina ngicabanga ukuthi why i-MK party imfuna or imfunile, because isimtholile useyilungu le-MK party. One, I think of i-political influence yakhe, ubukhulu bakhe eza nabo kwi-MK party. I know uma umuntu outside of i-KZN ungacabanga ukuthi amanzi amancane lento yokuthi ajoyine i-MK party ngeke ibe ne-impact kuma-elections. But I can tell you now, if umuntu ohlala koThekwini, umuntu attenda i-political meetings, then you'll understand ukuthi une-numbers ezingakanani. So i-MK party, I believe ukuthi bebefuna i-numbers zakhe kakhulu, because akezi yedwa but uza njenge-big fish, uhamba namafishi amancane amaningi kakhulu. So i-MK party izobenefita kakhulu from ukungena kwakhe kwi-MK. Two, I think ukuthi i-MK party isenda i-message to i-ANC, because you can imagine as members ze-ANC and i-members ze-community nje, i-message iyi-one ephuma is that abantu bathi, or i-MK party ithi, if you are not happy kwi-ANC, iza ngapha ekhaya, nali ikhaya lakhe lisha. So you can imagine kwi-enemies zikaRamaphosa ezikwi-ANC ukuthi zifila njani right now. I-most yabo they are tempted ukuthi bajampe umkhumbi, bangene kumkhumbi we-MK party. And leyo nto leyo ke iqiniswa ukujampa komuntu omkhulu njengomama uZandile Gumede. You can imagine nje ngikwenze example ngalento engishoyo. Uvuke kusasa kuthiwa uPresident Ramaphosa ujoyine i-MK party. How would you feel? Now lento iyakudrawela nje isithombe sisobala ukuthi ungabona nawe ukuthi man, ikhona lento engafuna ukuconvince ukuthi there's something big about i-MK party. I know not sonke ukuthi singaba convinced, but ingakhona lento okuweshoyo ukuthi ikhona lento enkulu nge-MK. So abantu abaningi bangajoyina because kwi-ANC there are people who believe Ramaphosa. They are voting for ANC because of Ramaphosa, not because they believe in the organization. So that means if Ramaphosa mover eya ngapha kwi-MK party, bangamuva nabo baye kwi-MK party because they believe kumuntu, not kwi-political party or kuma-theories, whether we-communist, we-socialist or i-capitalist, bona they believe kumuntu. The same thing with uNcamalala. Ubaba uNcamalala naye, if uyabheka, wamuva ku-ANC waya ku-MK party, kwamuva millions zabantu zaya ngapha nazo. Ikutshela lento leyo ukuthi they believe kumuntu more than i-political party. Because even if you analyze i-policies ze-MK party, abantu abaningi they are not interested in lento leyo, they are more interested ekuthenini ubani uvotela ini. So ukuza kaMama Gumede, I mean, kuza ne-numbers eziningi ukuthi uMama Gumede uvotela ini, because of leyo nto leyo nabantu bazovotela lento leyo. So i-chances zokuthi ubona abantu abagqoke ikipa ze-MK kusukela namhlanje kuya phambili ziningi, because kunabantu abazoba recruited because of uMama Gumede nje kuphela. So I think that is a reason number one. Number two, i-MK party iseqalile ya-campaigner for November. Isiqale manje because kwalento uthi preparation ngomama uZandile iyamazi ukuthi kwayena umuntu ocampaigner kakhulu, umuntu one-history e-KZN, uyazazi i-politics zase-KZN, unabantu abaloyal kuye, futhi into yamaZulu leyana. So even if ungathiwa uyathanda ukuthi uyikhiphe le factor yokuthi ukuba umZulu kuya-counter when it comes to politics zase-KZN, then uzoyibona lapha kumama uZandile Gumede, the fact that une-cultural ties khona laphana yinto enkulu kakhulu. So i-MK party izitshele ukuthi we are bringing that machine ozosenzela leyo nto leyo, because they know ukuthi vele umuntu omkhulu kwi-ANC. So njengoba sengishilo ukuthi uhamba ne-visibility, ama-supporters amaningi azombona as umuntu o-express. That means i-MK party izobenefita from ukuhandlisha iphalamende lase-KZN because umuntu osuka khona, umuntu one-experience, uyazazi i-processes zakhona ukuthi zihamba kanjani, yonke lento. So kufana nokuthi kuza abantu abake bayenza lento before than ukuthi kuze i-political parties ngayithi. Angikwenze nje example, uma kungathiwa kuza uMmusi Maimane ezophatha i-KZN or i-province yakho, ikhona indlela you'd be interested to know ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. So nalapha kukanjalo because siyazi aba bane-experience. The same thing asikhala kwi-EFF kwabanye bethi i-EFF ayina experience to run the country, so siyasaba ukuyivotela. So i-experience iya-count, angeke siyibalekele. So uza naleyo nto leyo ukuthi une-numbers and une-experience. Two, I mean, ezinye izinto ezizombenefitisa kakhulu is that i-ANC ye-KZN izoba weak because of uMamzandile Gumede. Because I can tell you now, ukumuva kwakhe akusho ukuthi i-leader yokugcina ukumuva le. Azoba khona namanye ama-leaders azomuva because of ukumuva kwaMamzandile Gumede. Abazobona okay, if ukumuva umuntu okade eyi-mayor before, mina ngiyini mangiyikhansela. So naye uzakwazi ukuthi amuvele ngapha ku-MK party ngenxa yokuthi kumuva umuntu omkhulu and i-results zazinhle wafika ngalwane kwi-position instead. So because of leyo nto leyo, njengoba sengisho ukuthi u-eda ne-experience njengabantu abanjengo-Willis Mchunu. So i-province yase-KZN ngeke ifathuze kakhulu because of i-experience eza nabo, and uza ne-energy, and futhi nakwi-negotiations zase-KZN if there ama-coalitions akhona uzokwazi ukuthi adile nawo because ubuyeka njengomuntu oyi-heavyweight. So uzo-eda kubantu, bheka nje i-MK party iphethe abantu abanjengo-John Hlophe, iphethe abantu abanjengo-Brian Molefe. So nje you can tell ukuthi i-message iyi-one is that i-MK party is the solution, is the alternative. If awunalo elinye ikhaya, iza ku-MK party. Iyona message abayikhulumayo leyo. Now ngiyafuna siphinde sibheke ukuthi ibuphi ububi aza nabo umama uZandile Gumede, because asikwazi ukubona okuhle kodwa kumele siphinde sibheke nobubi eza nabo ukuthi izaba affecta kanjani. Okokuqala, i-image ye-MK yalimala more, ibivele ilimele in a way because abantu abaningi MK party abayithembi because igcwele abantu aba-accuswe nge-corruption, igcwele abantu abake barun i-government before and kubuke ngathi bayahluleka. Uma angazi kuzobe uyibuka ngakulephi side, but abanye bathi iyahluleka i-government kaZuma, oBrian Molefe bahluleka mabesha abanye abantu. So leyo nto leyo isho ukuthi i-image yakhona silimele already, kodwa i-party yona iseneminyaka emincane kakhulu ikhona. So ukungena kaMamzandile Gumede ungena ne-case ye-corruption, and le case akuthini ukuthi i-case mhlambe eyacinywa. So because eyacinywa isifile, i-case esaqhuba namanje, i-case esese-active kulo nyaka uzophinda abuyele phala e-court ayokhuluma yona le case. So you can imagine this time around uzothi mayebuyele e-court uzobuye esegqoke iskipa se-MK party, unless ujisela ugqoke impahla zakhe. But noma athi ugqoke impahla zakhe, i-MK party izoba forced ukuthi mayiye ngaphandle iyomsupporta njengoba i-ANC beyenza ngesikhathi esese-ANC. So bazobe begqoke impahla ze-ANC, and sometimes we will never know. I'm sure no Zuma might go to leyo court case to show his support as remember, because they called her a big fish namhlanje mabe celebrate ukuthi uyi-big fish. So enye into kuzokwenzeka lento ekuthiwa i-voter backlash. Kunabantu abazoyeka ukuvotela i-ANC, I mean i-MK party, because they feel ukuthi lana kwenzeka i-rotation ye-corruption. Abantu aba-wrong bonke balokhu baya-rotate nje lapha phezulu, abantu aba-innocent aba-clean bahleli lapha ezansi abanikwa thuba. Lokho kuthathwa i-leader from one party ziza ngapha ziyanikwa amathuba, but bese zihlulekile because bese zikazanikwa amathuba ku-ANC zahluleka zamosha. But manje kuzo-experimentwa ngazo futhi kule side ngapha. So abanye abantu bazo-give up from lento leyo, bangasavoteli i-MK party. I-majority yabo akubona abantu abaloud, abantu abazothethela phambili bazothula, but uzobona ukuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi i-MK party ingakhulu ngendlela ekade kumele ikhule ngayo, ukube kuthiwa iya-mixa lapha phezulu, ifaka abasha nabadala, of which yenzile loo nto kunobhala wabo u-Secretary General, ya-eda umuntu ongathi nobuso obu-fresh kwi-politics as much as bengabantu abadala kwi-politics. Enye into, abantu abasha ku-MK party bazofika baya-sideline. Uzokhumbula uqala kwe-MK party ya-recruit ama-influencers amaningi kakhulu kwi-TikTok, yacela abantu abaningi kakhulu mabangene, but manje bonke labo bantu bashayo eceleni. If ngababheka abasekho, ibabeke nje lapha eceleni i-MK party, iqhubeka nalabantu esuka nabo ku-ANC. Laba basha bajoyina i-MK party ngazo baphushele emaceleni bonke. So and ziyabakhalela, if ungangena kuma-TikTok lives amaningi uyuza ukuthi okay kuyaphikiswana ngendaba ye-MK party ukuthi bashintshele in. So I'm not sure i-percent yabantu bangakanani, but there are people pha abangekho happy already because they can see ukuthi akusavunyelwana nabo, i-message ayisafani nakuqala. And enye into uMamzandile njengoba sengibalisile ukuthi lokuthi une-case active kuyiliability enkulu kabi leyo, and izo-create internal politics ezimbi ku-ANC, and I mean ku-MK party. And I can tell you now, I suspect ukuthi as time goes by kuzohamba kube khona ama-functions pha ku-MK party, kunabantu abazofuna ukuphusha new leaders, kunabantu abazofuna ukuphusha i-leaders ezindala, because they feel ukuthi the more you have experience the better, and abanye bazothi the more you don't have experience that means you are not corrupt, you can present new ideas to the party, yonke lento le. And enye into ethusa kakhulu is yini ezobavimba from ukulutha this time, because i-stigma i-MK party enaso is that bangabantu abaluthayo, bangabantu abane-revenge. If ungabheka nje example e-different engakwenzela yona, ubaba uJohn Hlophe. Ubaba uJohn Hlophe bekayijaji elikhulu, wakhishwa emsebenzini, and ukukhishwa kwakhe emsebenzini ukhishwa uthathelwa nempesheni yakhe, so that means akana sent alithola from kuyo yonke leminyaka ayisebenzile le. So you can tell ukuthi inhloso yabo is that babuyele kwi-government and reverse wonke lama decisions athathwe before, because they will have the power, they'll have the power parliament, they'll have the power yonke. So that's why I feel ukuthi in a way kuzobe ngathi bazoziphindisela ububi ngobubi, because balinyaza, so they have to hate, and they will run after politicians ezifana noRamaphosa ukuthi they should account about iphalaphala nani. And I feel no President Ramaphosa uyayazi ke lonto leyo ukuthi ilanga lakhe liyeza, because kuzobe kuphethe izitha zakhe and zizomleqa zimtholela. Now I think sengiyibalansisile i-conversation between the two bubi azanabo nobuhle ezanabo. But in my opinion, now that sesiyibeke nje yonke lento le, is that i-MK party izogain amamasela e-KZN. Izoba strong in terms of numbers, but in terms of reputation, they are going to pay the price. In terms of ukuthi baziwa ngani, they are going to pay the price, because kuningi abakwenza eza leaders okungakunelisi kahle. Uzuma manje bekase India man kuma Guptas, and the official statement is that bekayobona i-religious leader yakhe. That means uzumusa nenkolo different ke manje. So and kumuntu ofundile, umuntu ocabangayo nje, noma ongafundanga but umuntu omdala nje ocabangayo, uyayibona lento leyo cha kusiyo, bekayovuselela i-connection yakhe laphana e-India. So isibeka phi lento leyo thina abanye sebezivotela i-MK party inibeke ehlathini. So I feel ukuthi okokuqala iyona disadvantage. Two, i-opinion yami is that uMama Zandile Gumede uza ne-symbol of i-brokenness, i-symbol of ukuthi i-MK party representa ama-reject. Angifuni ukubeka igama le-reject lizwakala lisinda kakhulu, but abantu asebakhishwe kwamanye ama-political party because bahlulekile, then bazolahlelwa ngapha. If ungabheka abantu abaningi abaku-MK party, abantu abasuswe leside ngapha bazolahlelwa ngapha. I know kwi-politics into enormal leyo, but kubuye ngathi into eqhubekayo la ku-ANC, and it's like by importing problems. Uthatha i-problems ngapha ku-ANC bazoziletha ngapha. Uyabona nje nobaba uMchunu lo kade Minister of Police, ungathi njengoba enyamalele nje ukuthi makuhamba isikhathi uzokuthusa usuku-MK party, and uyabona ukuthi uza nani, uzobeza nesa stigma sokuthi bekacontrolwa yigebengu esese-ANC. So i-bottom line yami is that e-KZN we need to understand ukuthi akuvotwa because wenzeni, kuvotwa because ungubani. Abantu abaningi abathola amavote e-KZN, if ungayobheka umsebenzi wabo abawenzile on the ground, akufani nokuthi bayavotelwa, because if usungabheka nje umsebenzi kaMama uZandile Gumede, mina as a person I would not say ngi-happy ngawo, but there are people aba-happy ngawo, but i-majority I can say ukuthi abekho happy because i-Durban yaba worse instead of ukuthi be-better ngesikhathi sakhe. So but ekugcineni njengoba ngisho ukuthi abantu bavota because they want to vote for lowo muntu loyo, not for anything else. So if abantu banga-understand leyo system e-KZN, then you'll understand ukuthi kule elections esiya kuzo i-MK party izoba u-1 laphana, because i-EFF isilimele vele e-KZN, ilimele kakhulu, because if uyabheka i-March and March ingamandla e-KZN, and njengoba ingamandla e-KZN i-March and March kugcwele nabantu be-MK party. Two, i-EFF ayisatastwa e-KZN, isilimele kakhulu, because even abantu ade beyimisile e-KZN sebabuya umva baphelelwa ngamandla, and i-DA uyayibona ithule e-KZN, akuzwakali ngayo ukuthi yenza ntoni e-KZN. I feel i-opponent enga-strong for i-MK party this time iNkatha, because iNkatha iyavela ebantwini ngey'ndlela eziningi. Uyabona nje manje i-premier yase-KZN uyiNkatha, and you can tell ukuthi uyindoda enesithunzi, uyindoda ethembakalayo ebantwini, and njengoba ngishilo kuvotela ukuthi ungubani, so angawathola amavoti because of leyo nto leyo ukuthi ungubani yena.